morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amar Sierra, president of Hilliard Custom Rims and Tires. Today we have a massive snowstorm that has reached. Right now there's 30 centimeters of snow and 10 more centimeters approaching. As the president of Hilliard Custom Rim and Tire, I am stopping all chrome wheel sales in the nation and extending our winter tire sale to offer the public safety and affordability for their vehicle. The difference is, and the question, where is your car? We have over 2,000 winter tires in stock and wheels at prices which you can afford. Bring your car in today or call me for your free wheel and tire consultation at 905-528-3500. Visit us online on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. The snowstorm is not holding off. It's coming very strong. Another 10 centimeters approaching. We want the entire nation to be safe and also at a price that they can afford. Thank you and have a good day.